Facebook, YouTube, it's Joe with Clean and Thankful Cleaning Services, LLC, servicing Kentuckiana. Today's date is Tuesday, January the 18th, 2022. This video here we're just doing some vacuuming, and we're also going to do some detail vacuuming right there on the edge of the wall. There's not really nothing a whole lot there, but we're still going to run the vacuum down through there just to keep it looking good. So gonna get ready and get the vacuum here, and we're going to get started. Alrighty, so we got it all vacuumed up. This one, we're going to do some more down through here, but there's like 3 or 4 of these little entryways here lead into rooms. We're going to do them as well, but just wanted to show you that one, show you what we were doing, one of the projects we were doing in this janitoral account here in Crestwood, Kentucky. So thanks for watching. This is Joe. Remember, if you're in need of a cleaning service, give me a call here at Clean and Thankful Cleaning Services, LLC, servicing Kentuckiana at 502-403-3526. Again, number is 502-403-3526. Thanks for watching. This is Joe. You can also check us out on our Facebook page. And if you're watching us on Facebook, you can check us out on YouTube as well. So thanks for watching. This is Joe. See you on the next one.